Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add or edit the Robots.txt file in your Bigcommerce store. The Robots.txt file tells search engines which pages of your website to crawl and index, so it is important for your setup. Now, let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to Settings to edit or allow our Robots.txt. Click Settings, then go to General. Once we are in General, we click Website. Here is our HTTP robots.txt. To add or allow specific parts, just click and type allow for the parts you want search engines to include, such as the checkout page or any page you want to allow. When setting this up, decide which pages should be allowed. For example, the login page might not show in the txt file, and sometimes it might be missing for our website. That is why we use allow. If we want to allow it, just type allow edit. Click Save. Now it is allowed and updated for SEO. Always double check your rules before saving to make sure you do not block important pages from search engines.